Hey YouTubers, this is another update on my steelbook collection, and today we have True Grit, just one I picked up today in my local shop, and it's the triple play edition, which is the DVD, the Blu-ray and the digital copy. So here we go. And there's the back card that comes with it. Don't know if you can make that out. There's the front. It's got like a matte finish to it, and the True Grit is all embossed, which is really, really nice. There's the side. And there's the back. The rest of the tin is all like matte, but he seems to be like a gloss, got like a gloss finish to it, so he stands out. It's really, really nice. There's the digital copy. Listen. There's the Blu-ray. There's the DVD. And there's the inside artwork, which is pretty nice. And there's the front and the back. Okay, that's just another short update of my steelbook collection. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!